Imagine leaving your pet for just one morning, and how much it tugs at your heart. Now think about people who've had to part ways with their beloved animals for weeks, months, or even years. The uncertainty of ever seeing them again makes the eventual reunions heart-wrenching and beautiful. Let's explore these emotional moments of animals reuniting with their owners after long periods, where joy and love overflow in the most touching ways. 3 days that felt like forever. For this cat, 3 days without her owner felt like an eternity. The moment finally arrived when her favorite human returned, and the joy was indescribable. Her meows of excitement and headbutts were a testament to the unbreakable bond they shared. The king of the jungle's gentle side too. Majestic lions only allow one person to come close to them. The woman who once saved them from the brink of starvation. When she visits, they transform from fierce predators into affectionate companions, showing gratitude for her unwavering kindness. A camel's tears of friendship. What seemed like a camel greeting its owner was actually something more profound. This camel was mourning the loss of its best friend. The bond was so deep that the news brought tears to the animal's eyes, a testament to how animals can love and grieve just like us. Margarita, the loyal crocodile. Meet Margarita, a crocodile who waited patiently for her human friend to return. Listening to every sound in anticipation, she finally reunited with the person she trusted most, proving that even the fiercest creatures can form lasting bonds. The goose that didn't forget. After years apart, a man returned to his hometown and sought out his old goose. Not only did the goose remember him, but it also brought along its feathered friends, as if to proudly introduce the man it had been telling stories about. A tiger's loving embrace. A tiger cub rescued from peril grew into a mighty predator, but all that strength melted away when its savior returned. The once ferocious tiger became a purring, cuddly cat, thrilled to be reunited with the person who had given it a second chance. A bear who became family. For this teddy bear, life began when it was rescued as a lonely orphan. Years later, the bond between the bear and its human father remains unbreakable. Their reunion is filled with playful growls and warm hugs. Lost and found. After months of searching, this family's heartache turned to joy when they found their lost pet on the street. The tears and wagging tails said it all. Love truly endures. Fox's screams of joy 5 years apart didn't dull the connection between this fox and its owner. When they were finally reunited, the fox let out screams of pure happiness, expressing emotions words never could. Devotion cheetahs are known for their speed, but this one is also known for its boundless affection for the woman who raised it. Their reunion was filled with purrs and gentle nuzzles, showing that even wild animals can form unshakable bonds. End of chapter 17. Defying gravity for love. A loyal dog, overwhelmed with joy, leapt into the arms of its returning owner, as if gravity itself couldn't keep them apart. It's a moment that perfectly captures a dog's unwavering love. A swan's endless stories. This swan didn't just greet its rescuer. It spent the entire time chattering away, as if trying to fill them in on everything that had happened during their time apart. It's a conversation that only true friends could have. A lynx's anger and affection, months of separation, made this lynx ecstatic, but also slightly annoyed at its owner. It greeted her with a mix of playful growls and affectionate headbutts, as if to say, "Don't ever leave me again." The eagle that never forgot. Every year, a rescued eagle returns to its savior, flying in majestically to offer its thanks and receive its dose of affection. Their bond is a breathtaking display of loyalty and gratitude. A rhino's heartfelt greeting. Despite their tough exterior, these rhinos melted with joy when they saw the woman who had cared for them as orphans. Their grunts and affectionate nudges were their way of saying, "Thank you for everything." The wolf that remembered. Years had passed since this wolf was released into the wild, but it never forgot the woman who had raised it. Their reunion was a tearjerker, as the powerful animal gently leaned into her embrace, showing gratitude and love. These reunions show the depth of love that transcends species and time. Every reunion is a testament to the power of connection, proving that love, in all its forms, is timeless.